Shut off water. Cut the pipe with a hacksaw. I'm gonna throw a sharp bite, angle stop, a straight drop, straight. Your water supply line. Throw that bad boy in there. The sharp bite's so easy, all you gotta do is literally pop that guy in there. Until you feel it flush. Alright, once you get the sharp bite in there on the PVC pipe, you want to go ahead and tighten up your 3/8 pressure. You're going into the shut-off valve and then tighten up at the top. The water supply working next to the fill valve. Turn the water back on. Turn on the shut-off valve. Check for leaks. No leaks. The water supply line or the sharp bite. All right, it's good to go. That's how you change out a shut-off valve.